Registering for a WC Online account. Step 1. Open Chrome or Firefox and enter the following URL. Do not use Internet Explorer. The URL is http://www.montgomerycollege.mywconline.net. Step 2. Click Register for an account. Step 3. Complete the form with your information. You must use your Montgomery College email address. No other address will work. Step 4. Create a password. Your password must be at least 10 characters in length and something that you will remember. You can also use a new password, NEWPASSWORD, with no spaces between the words, which is our default password for registration. You may wish to write down or take a picture of your password. Step 5. Check the box that says, I am not a robot. Then click Complete Registration. Now you can sign up for tutoring, either e-tutoring or online tutoring. Please remember that e-tutoring is asynchronous, which means you do not directly meet with the tutor. For e-tutoring, students upload their paper to their appointment before the appointment starts. Once the appointment starts, the tutor will review the paper and provide written feedback. At the end of the appointment, the tutor will upload the paper with the feedback to the appointment report, which will automatically be sent to the student. Only the Writing, Reading, and Language Center will offer asynchronous tutoring. Online tutoring is synchronous. This is when you directly speak to the tutor. Students will join the online tutoring session by clicking on the Zoom session link that will be sent to the student once the appointment has been made. Students will still need to upload their assignment sheet and paper to the appointment. All 4 Tacoma Park Silver Spring Learning Centers will offer synchronous tutoring.